guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel, Alice Yummy Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make these stunning strawberry and chocolate mousse cakes. They're so fantastic. I've tried to experiment with different kind of creations and I love them all. I can't even pick my favorite, and I think you're gonna love this recipe. It's really light, it's really fluffy and moussey, and I just, who doesn't like strawberries and chocolate, guys? I mean, come on. It would mean so much to me, guys, if we can reach 100,000 subscribers together, so make sure you share it with your friends and family, like this video, comment, and spread the food love. And you can decide what you want me to do when we reach 100,000 subscribers. So leave the comments down below if you have any suggestions, or if you want something to happen, or if you want a special recipe or anything. It can be anything, literally. Yeah, let's get started. You can find my recipe on my website at aliceYummyFood.com. Next, we're going to be making a strawberry puree, so add your strawberries with sugar inside, and we're going to cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once they're done, we're going to put them in a blender and blitz until it's nice and smooth. To make the strawberry mousse, we're going to add double cream or heavy cream into a bowl. Whisk it for a few minutes, then we're going to add some icing sugar and whisk it again until it's nice and fluffy. Then add your strawberry puree inside and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Add your gelatin and amaretto and mix everything together. Then we're going to add everything into the piping bag, because it will be much easier to pipe into the molds. I am using this beautiful rectangular mold, and I'm going to add my strawberry cheesecake into each mold and fill it all the way to the top. So just gently press onto your piping bag and squeeze inside until they're nice and full. We're going to place these into the freezer overnight, or at least 8 hours. The first thing you want to do is get your gelatin ready. So I'm using 1 sachet or 12 grams. Then add cold water and leave it to set. Take a jug where you will be making your glaze and add your white chocolate in there. Then add condensed milk. In a small saucepan, add your sugar, water, glucose syrup, and cook until it just starts to boil. Our gelatin has set, so we're just going to add this into our hot glucose mixture and mix that in. Once your gelatin has dissolved, we're going to add it into our chocolate and condensed milk mixture and leave it for a few minutes. To get the desired color, just add your food coloring of your choice and mix everything together. And then strain the mirror glaze through a sieve a couple of times so there are no bubbles. You can find my recipe on my website at aliceYummyFood.com. Once your mini cakes are frozen, gently take them off and peel them off from your molds. And you need to be quite quick in this process, so put them onto a baking dish. So glaze them straight away, make sure they're completely frozen while applying the glaze. I have also created a chocolate mirror glaze in advance. You can be as creative as you like, doing different patterns, mixing it up. I've mixed 2 colors together and decided to create different one like that, or a zigzag with red and dark chocolate, and vice versa. And really, you can just go crazy here. I absolutely love designing cakes, so I was just experimenting and doing different patterns. And once they're done, decorate them with fresh fruit or sugar crystals, anything you like, really. Leave them in the fridge for at least half an hour. I've got this awesome trick. Put a tiny bit of your dark melted chocolate, then take a cup and press inside, and you will get this beautiful chocolate pattern. Then sprinkle some crushed pistachios, put your cake and enjoy. The cake is so light and fluffy. You get the beautiful strawberry flavor throughout with beautiful mirror glaze. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Make sure to check out all my other mirror glazed cakes and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!